Alright, I'm gonna leave from here, travel up through this little passage here, and then travel around to Corsi Island. And I should be able to camp there for the night.
At Pirates Cove?
At Pirates Cove. Or Blackberry Point.
Yeah.
Now when I'm leaving, there's a slack tide, so it's not a very strong current, and that's the ideal time to be leaving. So I've started off here on my own, my first solo kayaking adventure here, and there's just a slight breeze, not the waves, hardly any waves at all, so it's perfect for doing this. And I'm just coming up here behind the island and continuing on. The sun's coming out, it's really nice. Between these two islands, the tide has gone out too far, so I can't get through there right now without doing a bit of a portage. So I'm just going to go further down here. There's another possible passage I can go through and cross over to the other side. So I don't know if I want to cross over. Yeah, here's a point I found where I can cross over to the other side of the island. Pretty narrow and pretty shallow, but I can do it. It's kind of windy over there, and I don't know if I want to get myself into all that wind. So I might just stay on this side. Yes, I'll check out that side tomorrow. For about a little over 2 hours, and I'm nearing the point of the Corsi Island. And on this side it's been great, it hasn't been that bad, but there is a bit of a breeze, and I seem to be doing pretty well for time, and it's a wonderful day. Just getting a little snack.
Aye, me laddie, there be Pirates Cove. Arr. Yummy. Delicious.
Brother the 12th, who ran a cult on this island, had a co-worker named Madam Z, and both of them were taken to court in Nanaimo near here in 1933, charged with using witchcraft and a few other evil, vile things. But before they could be charged, they disappeared on the cult's yacht, and I've heard that there is gold buried here somewhere that they had stashed. So I'm just going to keep my eyes open, and who knows, maybe I might stumble across something. No, I don't see any gold here. I just cooked up some noodles on my single burner Coleman propane stove. Great thing for a kayak trip. Here's my noodles, all steamy and good. Let's see how good they are. Oh, yes, good. Look at that steamy goodness. Look at this noodly goodness. Oh yes, out in nature. I'm gonna have to hide my food tonight, I think, because the killer raccoon is here. There it is. Yeah, it's about 7:45, and I've moved inside the tent because the mosquitoes are out. They're coming out now pretty aggressively, and so I've moved inside this wonderful two-man tent here, And I'll probably do some reading and be protected from these mosquitoes, which are trying to break through my grate. Oh, there's one, but he won't get through. No. Stay away, mosquito. Ha, you are doomed. Anyway, I'm protected in here. And it's a nice little... Here's some of the treasures to be had at Pirates Cove. Yours for the taking. Let me see. Some I'll be taking one of these marbles as me treasure. Shilling it. Oh, there's the gold marble. There it is. I'll take this with me. We're gonna see the other side of this island, and hopefully it'll stay calm like this. Called chicken breast in a can. I shall try it. Chicken breast in a can. Let's try it. I brought my EXO laptop on this kayaking trip, and it's been a perfect companion to have because it has no moving parts, and water resistant, dirt resistant, and mosquito resistant. So I've been using it while I've been kayaking to work on this. My next book I'm working on is called Dance With Me, and one of my characters in my story went through some adventures around here where I've been kayaking, so it'd be good to, I can just put it right into the manuscript as I go and take this little thing along with me. It's been great to have. It's little coves and islands where you can kayak between them. Yeah, the other side of De Courcy, on the east side of De Courcy Island, there's all these little coves that you can kayak through. Yeah, I'm just coming up now to Link Island, and there's a little passage here between De Courcy Island and Link Island that you can go through. And now I can head back across here to Cedar Road, where Livy's going to meet me. So it's been nicer being on this side today with the